mixer time. Come on, grab your friends. We'll get some very greasy hands with Jake, his dog, and Finn, the human. The fun, it never ends. It's mixer time. Welcome back to another day in the life of Mr. Mixer. Guess what time it is? That's right, it is time for us to give away a machine. Now, if you're part of our subscription, you already know this, but if you're not, we have a $3 and $5 subscription. Every single month we give away a machine that we, rebuild, refurbish, basically make new. And we're even gonna put our new little add-on, our Everdime. If you haven't seen it, check it out. So we released these things on TikTok a few days ago, and we ended up getting like 4 million views, which ended up causing our orders to go off the charts. It's insane. We're used to about maybe 20, 25 orders a week. And we've had, I want to say, close to 1,500 orders in the last 4 days. So we are definitely playing catch up. It's just me and Jake in here, so it's a lot. But we are working so hard to get everything out to everyone. And, we just appreciate all the support. Oh, you thought those were the orders? No, that's only a little bit. Let's check out the rest. So as you can see, we have 2 giant boxes here. Each one of these was 250 bubble mailers. And we still don't have them all packaged. It's crazy. We've been working our tails off. Yeah, I know. Don't judge me. Speaking of dad jokes, let's see what the little man's up to. Hey, Finn, what is up, buddy? What you doing down there? You got some puffs? You got some puffs? He absolutely loves these things. They're just like little puffy cereals, and he's just tears them up. You tear them up, don't you? Arr. Look, he's got his second top tooth coming in. He's got those 2 little on the bottom. He's a crazy boy. So if you haven't seen the product that we were talking about yet, this is it right here. It's called the Everdime. And let me tell you, we put a lot of time and thought and effort into this guy. It actually goes right here. Once you unlock the mixer, you tilt the head up. There's a set screw right there that helps set beater clearance. Check that out. Now, I know a lot of you have followed me over here from TikTok, but for the people who haven't, or the people who may discover me through these videos, let's just do a brief recap. So again, little guy here, the Everdime, we saw where it installed there. It serves really 3 main functions. The first one is it helps set that beater screw, right? What that does is it provides paddle clearance in the bowl, so you can raise and lower depending on how high you want your paddle off the bowl. Now, over time, what happens is that it screws itself in. Now, when it does that, it allows the beaters to start hitting the bottom of the bowl, and they start to chip. So it's just it's not that great. You have to replace them. You're spending 20, 25 bucks. So it'll save that. So if you can see in there, the head of this screw actually counter seats into that rubber just a little bit. So it also dampens the fall. This is function number 2 here. See, you don't have a loud clang. It just kind of helps to make sure that is not slamming down so hard. And lastly, it does a really good job limiting that bounce. They usually get a bounce when you're mixing. Look, I'm pulling on this thing pretty hard. I can basically pull it off the ground and it's just not moving at all. So it really just helps to secure that head. We found that it just really improves the mixing experience. People have been loving it. If you bought one of these things, please let us know how you like it. We would really appreciate the feedback. All right, for the main event, I know this is what you're all here for anyways. This is what we're giving away this month. It's another Wide Classic Plus. We gave one of these away last month, but these babies are just sweet little machines. Let's check it out. Let's turn this bad boy on here. Ooh, sounds pretty. All right, let's get this baby boxed up and draw. Hey, hon. That's the wrong baby.
He's fine. It's fine.
If you Yeah, I know. Don't judge me. If you haven't heard yet, in the very near future, we're actually going to be custom powder coating these machines as well. So we'll be able to turn them into whatever color you want. And I believe we're going to move that over to the subscription as well, to where, we'll just make a custom machine for you, send it in. We'll make sure that it has the spring on the beater shaft because they took those off and it's really annoying. We'll make sure that it has an Everdime. These things are going to come beefed up and ready to mix. We'll also be able to custom coat attachments. So if you have some that are chipped, hold on to them. You'll be able to send them in. We'll be able to paint them whatever color you want as well to match your machine. And we'll be able to do bowls as well. So it's going to be a really nice venture. It's going to be really, really fun. So stay tuned for that. Jake is back with his Wheel of Doom. Not my wheel, a wheel.
The Wheel of Names. Get it right.
All right, the Wheel of Names. Check it out. We do have 50 subscribers now. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed. That is so amazing. I'm so glad that people appreciate our craft and what we're doing here. We really appreciate it. It's amazing.
We really do. Can't really say it enough, so thank you guys.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, so let's get on with the show. All right, let's spin that wheel. Carolyn Peavy, congratulations. Peavy? I don't know if I said that right. Congratulations, that's so amazing. I'm so excited to get this mixer shipped out to you, and I really, really hope you enjoy it. But I know you will. So me and Jake have decided collectively that we want to start doing nice things for our community, and just for not just Discord community or the sub-community, but our local community, and also just some organizations and things like that, because there are a lot of great organizations out there that could use, a little bit of funding. So we went ahead and spun the wheel a few more times. We got a couple more winners here. We got Tiffany, Faust, and Eve Thickett. We'll be reaching out to both of you. We would like to donate $25 to an organization of your choice on your behalf. So thank you. And, we're really, really excited to start doing this. So
We've been wanting to do it for a while. So
yeah, we're finally getting to the point to where we can start giving back, and it feels really nice. So we're so excited for it. I guess I gotta go have dinner with Grandpa. So toodles, we will see you on the next episode of Mr. Mixer. Toodaloo.